Easiest pie just got even easier thanks to new pre-sliced pies from Mrs. Smith's and Schwann's Food Service Incorporated. The new Mrs. Smith's 10-inch pre-sliced pies are available in classic flavors: apple lattice, southern pecan, sweet potato, and pumpkin. Baked to perfection with a golden brown crust, each pie is cut into 8 perfectly portioned slices. There is no waste, cutting, or hassle, while you get benefits like lower food cost, labor savings, and portion control. Each pre-sliced pie is perfectly cut for outstanding presentation, which means fewer broken, unusable slices of pie. Even the most inexperienced employee can serve up a great-looking slice every time. You don't have to bake or cut these pies, so preparation is faster, food and employee safety is improved, and menu applications are endless. Plus, you'll realize labor and energy savings on top of everything else. These pies come frozen, so you simply thaw, plate, and serve for a dessert menu that your customers and staff are sure to love. Each pie is carefully packaged in a protective carton with large pictures that make it easy to find the variety you're looking for. Plus, preparation instructions and nutrition facts are listed on the back, making these pies even more convenient for your operation. Mrs. Smith's pre-sliced pies are the only choice when you want home-style taste and perfect presentation without the work. Easiest pie really did get even easier with Mrs. Smith's pre-sliced pies.